Hi everyone, welcome back to Cassandra's Plants. Today we're doing the opening of April's Barry's Cactus Club, which I believe is the 11th box in the series. Next month we'll round it off to the full year because it started in June 2020. So back to the nice orange box. I do like it when they swap from the black one and put a bit of colour in it. I think the postman thinks we're a bit crazy, the amount of plants we get here, but nice and bright. This one again was a little bit late to us. I think Royal Mail are still having some issues with, you know, COVID and delays and volume and stuff. So it is a bit of a shame when they do take a bit longer from shipping, but for some reason all of the Barry stuff so far hasn't been affected by it. So fingers crossed this one is the same. So here we go. As always, I haven't opened it. All I did was undo the sticker. They're fantastic eco-friendly packaging. Oh, what's this? Oh, here we go. Barry the Cactus hand sanitizer with aloe. That's a good idea. Let's have a little look. So it says, so it's benzalkonium chloride. Not heard of that one before, but there you can see the ingredients. Wow, I have no idea how effective that is. It's an alcohol-free one. I always thought hand sanitizers needed to have, or ones that were COVID friendly or COVID that work against COVID, had to have a very high concentrated alcohol level. But if alcohol-free ones work, and I also noticed this is vegan friendly and used in the NHS, so fair dues. If that works, that's great. Happy to give anything a go. And I like the fact that it says tested skin safe for the whole family, which is awesome. And I mean, these days you can never have too many hand sanitizers available, so we will add that one to the collection. What else have we got in here? So, oh, a chin cactus, Gymnocalcium stenoplurulum. Now, I haven't heard of this one. I know what gymnocalcium looked like. Gymno, not sure, could be. So that's an interesting one. Yeah, so let's have a look. And it's, oh look, get a free cactus keyring. Let's have a look. Add a crucial item for any plant lover to your keys. You'll receive a super tiny living cactus or mini succulent keyring in a capsule. So I've seen these, and I'll pop a little picture in from the Barry's website because I do believe they also sell them, so you can see them now. So these ones are, I don't know, they're a bit like, yeah, I don't really like putting living things in capsules and things like that. It's a bit, to me, like winning a fish at a carnival in a bag. I know you can take them out and they might not potentially grow, or you might be able to save them, but I just think, yeah, for a novelty, I'm not that keen on that idea. But obviously, if people like the idea of having a cactus and, you know, want a little one in a capsule, then fair enough. It's up to them. So let's have a look. We have the card. Here we go. So now these are little Scott ones. These gymnocalciums, they all calcium, I should say, look very similar. And sometimes the colourful ones are called moon cactuses, and you've probably seen those. They're normally grafted onto a big green stem. So I don't know if this is going to be a colourful one or not, but we'll soon find out. Let's have a look. Where are we? All the pots at that end. So let's, I've got a little crawly friend in there. Get rid of him. I love these little tube rolls. I think this is the first time they've had a pink one. So maybe that means we're getting a pink cactus. Who knows? So, take the top one off. Oh, okay. So the whole cactus is in that bit, right? Oh, a nice plain, rustic, if that's the right word, terracotta pot. So now I'm just going to put this down because the whole cactus is wrapped. They don't normally wrap them like that. It's normally just wedged in the top, so make it a little bit more difficult. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Don't think this one has survived. Hence why we've got flies. I don't know if you can see them flying around, but this is a fungus gnat party by the looks of it. So, oh dear. So this is hymnocalcium, and I can actually show you what one should look like. So let me go and grab one quickly and I'll show you what one should look like. Okay, so I've grabbed one with what it should look like, and I'm going to cover this up very quickly. I'm just going to show you again. So this is really wet and it's really heavy for a cactus, which means it's either been overwatered and it's rotted in transit, but it has got a huge fungus gnat infestation. And because I'm quite close to all our other plants, I don't really want them spreading or going elsewhere, so I'm going to keep it covered for now. And that, unfortunately, is going to go straight in the bin because it's no good to anyone. However, this is what one should look like. So these ones are normally, as I said before, grafted onto other cactuses and made them look, well, they're called moon cactuses, and they look like, I don't know why they're called moon cactuses, but they're more decorative. And because of the lack of chlorophyll, because it's not very green, they do tend to struggle on their own, and they're more of a collector's, well, somebody who collects cacti or is more into having a complete collection are the best kind of people to look after these, because they can be a bit of a nightmare. We do sell them in our shop, and they are quite popular, but yeah, depends on what you're into looking for cactuses. I prefer like column cactuses or barrel cactuses rather than these, but it's still quite cool. And if you can get a coloured one, then even better. So that's a bit of a shame, just because, you know, this is the first time we've had one turn up that's not been in such good shape. But we've still got a nice pot, and maybe I'll even keep this one, put it in the pot that came with the Barry's one, but I'm gonna have to go and fumigate all of this lot first to get rid of these fungus gnats. But yeah, that's a shame. I mean, if anybody who follows these videos has got one of these that arrived in good shape, by all means drop a comment, send us a picture, and let me see what the ones that they sent look like. Are they slightly different to my one, or is it exactly the same variety? Let me know. I'd be really interested to see how it went for you. And also, if you've used the hand sanitizer yet, I mean, it's already the 26th of April for us, so a lot of these would have arrived with people much earlier in the month. So if you think the hand sanitizer is any good, let me know. And as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next month for the next Barry's opening. Cheers, guys.